Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome back to another video. This is German A1 level series, and in this video we're gonna talk about 15 German words that we can use rapidly in our life, in our daily life, right? The first word is yeah. The spelling of this word is J-A, and the meaning of this word in English is yes. So the next word is nine. Nine. The spelling of this word is N-E-I-N, and the meaning of this word is no. So there are three articles. The first is there, that used for masculine. The next is the, D-I-E, that used for feminine, and third is das, that used for neutral article, right? And according that we use these articles according to words we use these articles. So the first word by article is das Auto. Das Auto, that means the car. That means the car. Actually the three articles means actually the, right? But we use according to gender. Like if the word is masculine, then we use masculine article like der, der. And if the word is feminine, then we use the, die. And if the word is neutral, then we use like das. So the next word is vielleicht. Actually this word starting with V, shown on screen. But if you see my pronunciation class, in which I telling you that V pronunciation as phi, that starting with F pronunciation, right? So according to that we use this, we pronounce this word is vielleicht. That mean in English maybe or perhaps, right? So I hope you understand. So the next word is wo, W-O, that mean where. So by using previous words and letters, we make a sentence that is wo ist das Auto, right? That means where is the car. Okay, so this sentence make your pronunciation better, and by helping to learn previous words. I hope you understand and the meaning of these words also. So the next word that is very easy, that is ich. Ich, that means I, and sometimes German people pronounce as ich, ich, a long way, right? So the next phrase, like there is a small phrase which consists of three words, that ich lerne Deutsch. That's I'm learning German, and sometimes I'm studying German, right? Lerner is used for studies and for learning, but basically learner is infinite of learner, right? I for that time only learn this line, but in future we talk about very deeply on this topic, right? So the next word is der Mann. Der Mann. Now man is man in English meaning of, right? And man is masculine, and definitely according to that we use masculine article, that is der, der, right? And the meaning of total two words is the man in English, right? And the next word is the Frau. The Frau, and definitely the is used for feminine article, and Frau means woman, and woman definitely is a feminine, definitely. So according to that we use the Frau, that means the woman. Now the next two words, that is im Auto. Im actually is equal to in dam, but don't focus on that point. Actually im is basically used for the meaning, gives the meaning is in the, and if we convert the meaning of this two words im Auto, that means in the car, right? And if we say the sentence that is der Mann ist im Auto, that means the man is in the car. And according to that, if we change the gender, then we said die Frau ist im Auto, the woman is in the car. We in both sentences we change the articles according to masculine and feminine. Also we use the word im, that means in the. So according to that we make the sentences and learning these words. I hope you understand all the words and all the sentences in this video. If you have any type of question related to video and related to previous videos, so please comment on the comment section, and I am trying to answering all the questions of related to videos. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.